Jild biker style vintage leather jacket for women. Casual fashion motorcycle zip-up lightweight. Coat. Checkmark one of a kind showstopper. This women's leather jacket is crafted from soft, supple lambskin leather, offering a luxurious feel and a timeless look that will make you feel fabulous for years to come. Checkmark versatile for all seasons. Perfect for spring, autumn, and winter. Pair it effortlessly with a basic t-shirt and jeans for a casual outing, or layer it over a dress shirt for more formal occasions. This all-match style is an essential addition to your wardrobe. Checkmark stand out in style. Designed for biker lovers, this jacket features a striking asymmetrical shiny silver zip and 2 zip pockets, complemented by a stylish lapel collar. Checkmark size customization. Please verify your size using our size chart provided in the jacket pictures. Our Jild team will reach out to confirm your order and can customize sizing at no extra charge if needed. Checkmark 30-day money-back guarantee. We stand behind our products. If you're not satisfied, return it within 30 days for a full refund. No questions asked. Elevate your wardrobe with the Jild biker style vintage leather jacket, where fashion meets functionality.